Hello, in this video, I will demonstrate how to adjust the spotlight settings to achieve a better view of the store. To change the settings, we should select the spotlights first. If you click on one of the spotlights, this will allow you to select only one of the lights. If you press Ctrl and click on a spotlight, all of the connected spotlights and the rail will be selected. Once selected, the settings menu will appear on the right-hand side. The first setting on the list for the spotlight is the material. You may view and change the material of the light here. Spotlight rotation allows you to rotate and change the direction of the light. Spotlight angle allows you to adjust the angle of the reflector. Spotlight intensity allows you to adjust the intensity. You may also adjust the distance, decay, and shadow of the spotlights. Adjust these settings and achieve a better view. To better view the effect of the lights, you may use the following controls. See you in the next tutorial video.